Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 3.4 and today I will show you how you can remove tempered glass from the screen. So it's very simple and very easy, just take a look. Let's go for one of the edge, for example for the right upper edge. And right now just put your fingernail under this tempered glass. Just do it like that. And then move it to the second edge. Then lift this tempered glass a little bit. Don't do it too fast. Don't break this glass. Do it safety. And as you can see, it was removed. So let's put it back. And right now we are able to install another one. For example, you want to change from the tempered glass to the foil. So we can try it right now. And yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.